Here's a 2012 Toyota Tundra. This four-wheel drive truck is priced below retail and includes a multi-point inspection. It has low miles for the year and comes in a popular color combo. It's nicely equipped with stability control, heated mirrors, VTEC wheels, and a tow hitch receiver. You'll also get flex fuel capability, a CD player with an auxiliary audio input, and more. Come take a test drive today.
Buy it from Bob. Bob Richards Toyota is located just seconds across the river at 5512 Jefferson Davis Highway in Beech Island, South Carolina.